So we got a question that popped up on Instagram. Imran asks, now it's an asylum case. I don't do asylum cases, so let's see what it says. It says, my asylum case is pending, but I filed my marriage adjustment-based green card application. Should I withdraw my asylum case? If not, the USCIS can ask questions in my pending asylum case during my adjustment interview. That's a very intriguing question. So it depends on where asylum is. There's a lot of different things, so I can't give individual legal guidance, just say that up front. But we got to know, is your asylum case affirmative asylum with USCIS, or is it defensive? You're in court being removed and be taken out. So that's something I'd want to know, because if you're already in court, they may be more skeptical about the marriage. If your spouse is a green card holder, not a citizen, there'll be other issues. If your spouse is a citizen, some issues will be solved. But will they have an issue with it should you withdraw the case? My general strategy is not to withdraw an asylum pending case if the applicant gets married, especially to a U.S. citizen, and I wait till after the green card is approved before notifying the asylum office that we're withdrawing the asylum case, just to take it out of the system. Now, I have colleagues who said their marriage green card cases went to an interview with USCIS, and the officer said, I cannot approve the green card until you withdraw the asylum case. I have not seen a regulation, it might just be me, but I've never seen a regulation that said you have to do that. So if the officer forces you to do it, you challenge it, you talk with the manager or supervisor and say, why is that needed? It's not needed, and push them on it to push back, because the asylum case is your backup plan, so you don't want to get rid of that. Now, will they talk about at the interview? Technically, stuff you talk about in an asylum application is private, it's secret. It's not meant for a USCIS officer at an adjustment of status interview based on a marriage case to talk about. This is something between you and the asylum office. Now, will they do that? Maybe. They're not supposed to. If you had my office, we prepare for everything. I'd want you to go in with an attorney in such a case, so the attorney could jump in and say, that's not an appropriate line of questioning. Here we're analyzing a marriage case, look about their marriage, their background in that sense. Now, if your asylum case had some facts, like, you were arrested or for some sort of crimes or something like that, that may come up. It's in your asylum case, but it may come up there as well. So it depends on what the issues are in your asylum case, but it's not something we'd want to talk about. It's not appropriate, and so we challenge that. I've done several cases like this. Once a year, every year I just have one case where they have an asylum case pending and they file for adjustment. Yeah, it's like once a year. It's not too frequent, but it does happen, and so we do that kind of stuff. But that's I just pretty thorough answer to your question. Thanks for on Instagram. Thanks for coming and asking a question. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.